Hey, welcome. Happy Monday. Today we're just going to go over what we did last week on this gate when you guys weren't around, what we're going to do next, and what our future plans are. So starting off, first of all, you saw that we had a couple hinges welded on when you left us last. We finished those up and we moved on to welding some of the cross members. We have about 4 more to go. We're going to finish those up and we're gonna start insulating and sheeting the gate. So what that looks like to finish this out is going to be some 2-inch rigid foam board between the 2-inch and the 4-inch square tube. We're then going to put some sheeting over the top, probably just some white aluminum, and screw it in, seal it up good, and aluminum angle edge trim around the outside just to give it that finished off look. Once we get that finished up, we'll lower the gate down and we're gonna do a 1/8 inch or 3/16 aluminum diamond plate on the drive up side just to give us a little traction, and for nothing, it'll look pretty cool too. So that will finish out this ramp as far as the functionality of the ramp goes, but then we are faced with another problem. Phil is not quite strong enough to pick this gate up, nor am I. And we're gonna mount a winch in the ceiling of the truck with a pick point on the end of the ramp to raise and lower the gate. All right, so this is the winch we're gonna be using to lower and raise the ramp gate. It's a placeholder for now to set up the gate, to figure out what we really want, but this winch is gonna be plenty fine to pick up a gate that weighs 500 to 600 pounds. The reason I went a little heavy, 1, speed, 2, if I want to level the gate out and we want to put something on it, I don't want to have to worry about the strength of the winch pulling through the clutches or the brake built into the winch. Yeah, so let's open it up, see what we got here, and ooh, look at that! Isn't that adorable? Well, that's convenient, isn't it? A little winch mount plate. That should help our construction out a bit. Get some hardware. What else we got? A little bit of wiring. There. Fairly. Contactor. There it is. So hopefully with the size of this winch, it's fairly easy to get it mounted overhead. Conveniently behind the door, the part of the door, so you'll go under the bunk room and come up. So this will actually be mounted in the ceiling of the bunk room, technically. So this will be kind of handy to use off the start, is it comes with a secondary switch, like a dashboard switch. We can put this on the outside of the truck so that we don't have to plug in the winch remote into the winch every time we want to raise and lower the gate. But it will be handy if we need to be in a different location. Oh, look at that. We even got...
I bet you it comes with wire nuts.
We even got some blue wire nuts. It sends a power disconnect switch, so that'll be kind of handy, especially since people will be sleeping in the room that this is mounted in. All right, so it looks like we have everything we do need to lift and lower this gate. Conveniently, it did come with a winch plate. We can cut one out, we have a plasma table, but it just makes life so easy when things come with things that make your life easier. We're gonna get this mounted up there in the next episode, and we're gonna see how well this gate goes up and down. Stay tuned, we have videos posted every Monday. We're gonna get this wrapped up, we're gonna get that gate going up and down, and then wait until you see our next project within the truck. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Once we have the ramp in, we're gonna go to the next step, and there might even be some fun toolboxes involved. Like, subscribe, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube.
Facebook, Instagram, YouTube.
Instagram, YouTube.
We're not hard to find. Fletron 4x4.
Whatever you can do to help the algorithm a little bit, we're gonna be here producing videos just for you.